So gap up, slight trend in the first hour, and then chop with some pretty big pullbacks. Let's take a look at the trades on the day. Here are the results at 4:06 Eastern Time. Just a couple of positions still open as I started this video. So these are the positions. These are the P&Ls at the start of the video with a few open positions. Minus 775 today on the 200K, minus 200 on the 50K, and same for the week since it's Monday, and plus 49.50 and plus 1,068.75 on the month for these portfolios. And we were at equity peaks on Friday. Look at the trades on the day so you can see what we're taking a look at. 60-minute breakout, gapped up, market gapped up at the open on Sunday night, pulled back as soon as it gapped up, stopped out, took another long trade, hit its profit target. EVP1 took a long trade, pulled back here, rallied, pulled back again, stopped out, and then it rallied again into the close, long right here for a small gain, waiting to exit this trade. AT 2022, gap up continuation, rolled over until this one was stopped out. So these pullback, the second pullback intraday, stopped out some longs that we would have been much more profitable had this second pullback of the day. Intraday had not occurred. I'm talking about not the overnight session, but during the day session. Day session gap up. First pullback, we're okay. Moving back towards highs, boom, comes back. It stops out this trade, stops out this trade. And so this was the overnight session right here. Pullback, stopped out some overnight trades. So 4 pretty harsh pullbacks today, even though it looks like a strong trend. You can see it a little bit better on 1-minute charts. 1-minute charts gives more details. Here's a pullback. This tick pulse was stopped out on the first pullback, and then we had the second pullback. And then this was a pretty smooth trend, but then it pulled back again, and then it just took out the highs at the very end, right when the market closed. So sneaky stealth bullish trend with mostly chop and lots of pullbacks right before CPI. So it'll be interesting to see how the market reacts to CPI tomorrow, 7:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. Tick wave was up on the day. Nice long trade there. Overlap NQ down on the day. Short trade. Cobra 3 stopped out on this first pullback. You can see that trade there. Momentum reversal. Took the short trades. Stopped out right there on that end of day surge. VTNQ up on the day. Robot down on the day. This one has had, let me take a look at the number of consecutive losers here. This has such a tight stop. $400 to stop loss. You're going to get a lot of consecutive losers on a strategy like this. If you're not trading this one, it could be a good time to trade it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 consecutive losers since this last big gain. This last gain right here was 4,020, and this takes $400 losses. So it's 5 $400 losses. So still, even after 5 $400 losses, this gain is almost twice as much as these 5 losers combined. So cutting your losses, writing your winners. Tick pullback is still long. EVP1 is still the other long trade. Those will get out shortly. And look at the S&P trades on the day. Cobra 3 stopped out on this pullback, and 60-minute breakout short. Took the short trade, reversed along, hit its profit target. Took another short trade, reversed along, up on the day, holding that position. Momentum reversal, took a short trade, and got out at the end of the day. So just a choppy. You can see the chop during the day if you draw a line through the open. And on the S&P, most of the gain was obviously the gap up in the first 30 minutes of trade. These are 15-minute bars. So right there, the market is currently right at the same price it was 30 minutes into the day after the gap up in first 30 minutes of trading. So lots of chop and stealth bull market rally. They're trying to prop this up as we go into CPI. Trying to play for a Fed pivot on weaker inflation. It'll be interesting to see how that plays out. Lots of discussion on that. So those are the trades on the day, though, for Monday, September the 12th, 2022.
Hey, David Bean here. Welcome to Capstone Trading Systems YouTube page. Be sure to subscribe to join our community of algorithmic traders. We are real money traders. We share our winning streaks. We share our losing streaks, as well as market updates, strategies, and coding tips.